So by this gift came all the way from Brentwood, Essex. And Abid bhai, thank you so much for the gift. Abid bhai basically from Ilford, he's one of our client. Abid bhai, kaisa laga aapko Muscat? How you feel it?
Alhamdulillah, beautiful.
Beautiful, huh?
Absolutely.
Can you share a little journey, how you came and how we meet and how things happening now?
So initially it was a telephone conversation which resulted in flying out to Muscat, which I encourage anyone to do.
Okay.
Came here, we met Bilal Bhai, had a couple of meetings, and then within 2 days we said, okay, we pushed the button and said, right, this is the business we want to do. Let's investigate the possibilities. And then as soon as we paid the full amount to get the processing started, and then after that it's just been full swing. This is my second time here now. We've put pen to paper more or less on the premises, and now I'm here for 2 weeks to look for property to rent and to put our roots down in Muscat, inshallah.
So your property is already, we have given them advance, and we are looking now for the builders.
Yes.
So what do you think about Muscat? Like the first time when you came, we had no time actually. We were so busy in finding a space and all this stuff. So now how do you think, and what do you want to recommend to the people?
All I can say to you is in the 4 weeks that from my first visit to now, it's getting busier, and that's just in 4 weeks, and I can't believe how busy it has got. The hotel I'm staying in, there used to be so much spaces for cars. Now there's no space, and that's because more and more people, like Bilal Bhai said, there's people are coming, and there's so many businesses are coming. People are coming, and even the apartments we're looking at now, 4 weeks ago, the prices have jumped up. Not a small amount. We're looking at 50 to 75 riyal, Omani riyal. They've gone up. So it's, if you don't get in now, you could miss the boat.
So you are basically from Ilford, right?
Yes.
From London, right?
Yeah.
So the main difference, some like 3-4 points, main difference from Ilford till in Muscat.
Yeah.
What do you feel the most?
Obviously, you got the weather. So
Okay.
the weather is beautiful. We're used to a much colder, wetter environment. The people here are amazing. The local people are just absolutely. There's no one on earth like I've met people like this, and I've travelled.
Omani people are amazing, right? And the weather of Oman is good, or weather of England is good?
No, weather of Oman is far superior.
You are getting more vitamin D, free vitamin D every day, right?
Absolutely free, alhamdulillah. And it's just here. There's so much to look forward to. Yeah, there's so much to look forward to. Yeah, the people, the weather. Here, there's growth. And look, I've been in business for a while, and I've seen so much opportunities and growth in this country, and in different sectors of business.
So how long you been running this Lumo menswear? By the way, this is the coat, a great, like I really love it. Thank you so much. I just tried it, and it's fantastic, very fantastic and fantabulous, stuff. So how long you been running this Lumo?
This is over 8 years. We were upmarket luxury menswear clothing store. And we had our own brand. We developed our own branding clothing.
Okay.
It was really high end, and we're leaving all this to come to set up in Muscat in Oman.
MashaAllah, it's a big decision. May Allah give barakah and have your, all whatever you are thinking come true, inshallah. So, bhai, this is also one of our testimony with Abid bhai. Alhamdulillah, he was so quick. He just came and he found a shop, and we have given advance, and probably we are going to get contractors for that also. And today he just got his company and everything is done. We'll have his ID and bank accounts also within this week, inshallah. So these all things, what we are doing, we are sharing with you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you also want to come here, you can contact with Abid bhai. If you know Abid bhai, you can contact with him and get the feedback. And then again, we have website also, and we have the numbers also. You can contact anytime you like, and we are here to support you. You can also be here, like our many clients are coming all the way from UK and other part of world. Abid bhai, any last word for the people?
Don't delay. Give a quick call to Bilal Bhai. Make your intentions. Okay, you're doing hijrah. You're doing so much good things by coming here. And I can't recommend it high enough. Look, I'm 55 and I'm making these big changes. And if I make these big changes, I will benefit, and so will my children. So if you want a change of life and direction, don't think about it. Just be bold and do it, inshallah.
Inshallah. So, bhai, I can show you this lovely, lovely, you know, color. MashaAllah, the stuff. Everything is best. Everything is the best about it. So I would recommend if you are there, please go and buy this also. And give me ijazat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh.